So an Illuminarium is a place that can take you any place. We generally create a 3,000 square meter venue with 9-meter high ceilings. And in that venue, we create experiences that take your breath away. And the idea behind Illuminarium is we help you manifest your dreams. An example, our first experience is a safari experience. About 98% of the people in the world have never been on a safari, but I'm guessing 98% of the people in the world would love to go on one. It's a dream. We have a new experience opening in about a month, which is called Space to the Moon and Beyond. And even fewer than 98% of the people in the world have been to space, have been on the moon, walking on the moon. We allow you to do that, and you'll actually leave footprints on the moon's surface, just like Neil Armstrong did in 1969. We do this through the power of technology, content, and scale. In an Illuminarium is the best projection systems in the world, the best sound systems in the world, an in-floor haptic system that creates kind of a rumble effect in your body. We have a sense system, and then in our ceilings, we have LiDAR that creates interactivity because it can track every single person in the Illuminarium venue. During my keynote address, I'm going to be talking about the business, content, and technology side of an Illuminarium, how we build it, how we create it, where we're going with it, which is hopefully around the world. I'll be joined by Brian Allen, our head of technology, who can really talk the talk deeply into the technology side as well. So we opened the world's first Illuminarium about a year ago in Atlanta. We just opened 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world. We have leases signed in Chicago and Miami. We have a joint venture signed for Mexico City, working on one for Sao Paulo, and we're spending time really in Europe, Asia, all over the world. So we hope in the coming years there'll be 20 or more Illuminariums around the world.